Alright guys, 2017 Mazda CX5, how to change a cabin filter. Alright, so in this car, the cabin filter is right behind this glove box. So what you do is you open the glove box. You're going to come across here. You're going to see this plunger. You pull this off, and after that you're going to squeeze the tab here and squeeze the tab here. And the glove box is going to come off. The glove box is sitting here. Alright, once you have that removed, you're gonna see this. You're gonna see the airflow sign here, and you do not go into the top. What you do is you squeeze this and you pull out this cabin filter housing. This is the cabin filter right here. Alright, so it just slides right out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change this cabin filter. So all you do is you lift this out and we'll get the new cabin filter, put that in. Alright guys, here's the new cabin filter. It's just a tray, it comes like a tray. Alright, so you do not need to, like most of the car, you had to put the cabin filter into that. This is part of the tray. So you take this and you insert this, you push it in, you're gonna hear a click, and that's it, you're done. And after that, you take your glove box, you line it just like that. You're gonna push it up. Alright, it's gonna click in, and make sure you put in this tab here. What this does is it lets the glove box come down slow. Put everything back in and you're done. Alright, that's how you change your cabin filter on 2017 Mazda CX5.